Have you ever wanted to make thousands a month from online side hustles? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 different side hustles or activities you can do online to make an insane amount of income, and they're not that hard to do. There are literally people who have replaced their full-time jobs with these side hustles, and it's not as hard as it seems. First on our list of online side hustles is going to be Etsy. Now, usually people sell homemade crafts and other items on Etsy, but you don't need to have a special talent to make money on Etsy. In fact, there are people who have made over $1 million in sales from selling Etsy products that they didn't even make or print. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is that possible? Well, you see, on Etsy, there are many different niches, such as digital clip art or wallpapers, that you can make and then sell the digital designs without ever printing or shipping. How you do this is simple. First, choose a general target niche. It could be wallpapers, nursery art, printable art, whatever it is, alright? And then, with the help of Everbee and ChatGPT, you can find the most searched topics with the keyword finder feature on Everbee, and just using ChatGPT to generate some basic ideas. Once you've found your topic, you now need to get an image for the topic in order to actually sell online. Easiest ways I found to this are via Midjourney, an AI art tool that can be used to create some very impressive art. Or if you don't want to sell something made by AI, you can use ArtV, Unsplash, Pixlr, and Pexels to find an image that you want and you think you could sell. For example, this person sells printable arts that they don't even print nor ship themselves, and then make thousands of dollars a month. Now, there's a whole lot more detail on how to actually do this effectively, and if you want to learn more about this option, I have videos going in more depth about how to do this, so go check them out. The next method we're going to be doing is going to be getting something for free and then selling it for profit to other people. Now you might be thinking, how is this possible? Well, there are many places you can get free items such as Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. Simply filter by the free options near you and you can find some items that look like they could potentially sell for more. But if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, like, and take the time to comment. That way you get access to all this valuable information. But once you find the item you wish to flip for free, just go and place your order or whatever and find a time to meet up and get the item. But you can definitely make some really good money from this. Simply go get the item, take it home, whatever, clean it up, tidy up, and then put it back up on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Now for our third method, we're going to switch it up to the realm of social media. YouTube is one of, if not the best ways to make money online. I mean, you're watching this YouTube video after all. But you don't need an insane skill set or years of experience to make it on YouTube. Hell, you don't even need to show your face or talk to make money on YouTube. It's that simple. How you do this is by finding a niche that doesn't require your voice or face. Some examples of this are the Reddit review type videos, motivational type videos, or whiteboard channels with animated drawing. For example, this motivational channel, which uses other people's voice and free stock footage, is making $56,000 a month. And these are from videos where he didn't show his face or use his own voice. So how do you do this? First, find a topic in a niche that you think could work really well, and then start getting the ideas and tools to make the video. If you need help with audio, you can use 11 Labs to get some pretty realistic sounding AI. Or if you're doing motivational videos, just find like a David Goggins motivational video or something like that and use that audio. You can then use Pexels, Pixlr, or other free stock footage sites to actually get the stock footage for the video. And now you have both the audio and the footage. Last thing to do is put them together and edit it up. And I would recommend using Pictory to edit the software. It's free. It has really nice features such as auto transcripts and access to free stock footage on the actual video site. And it's really a nice software. With some experience, you can start to make some major passive income from this, as once the video is up, it will continue to generate views forever or until YouTube shuts down. If you want more detail on how to do this, I also have videos going over this particular method, so go check them out. For our fourth method, we'll just be building onto the previous one. This is affiliate marketing or sponsorships. Basically, this is where a company or group pays you to promote their product to your audience. And there are many different forms of this, from brand deals and sponsorships to the easiest way, simply putting a link in your description. And it doesn't matter whether you have a following on YouTube, Instagram, or really how big that following is. For example, using clickbait and other websites, you can find links to products that your audience might like, put them in your description, and if someone clicks it, you'll make like 30% of the sale. Just make sure if you are doing affiliate marketing, it's something that your audience is able to connect with. For example, if your average age group for your audience is 18 to 24, it's probably not the best idea to promoting diapers just because it's the wrong audience. Those people don't generally have babies or aren't old enough to need diapers. So, use some common sense with that, but if you already have a platform, you can start getting some pretty good money from affiliate marketing. And if you don't have a platform yet, you can get a platform, and you can start to make some really serious money. And finally, the last topic will be survey websites. This option by far has the least amount of time or energy commitment to do, and you can still make over $100 a day. In fact, with some survey websites, you can make $160 from a single survey. Now, I'm sure you know what a survey website is. It's a website where companies will pay the website to have someone take their survey to get more information so they can make more money with a certain product or whatever it is. But what website should you use? Some of the best survey websites are User Testing, Respondent, Google Opinions, and Surveys on the Go. The first two are on the computer where they are looking for a very specific audience. But you get paid anywhere from $10 to $120 per survey depending on how long it takes you to complete, with most surveys taking 10 to 20 minutes. However, for both of these, you will need mics and potentially a face cam in order to actually do the surveys. If that's not your mojo, then go to Google Opinions and Surveys on the Go, as they're both mobile apps that take like 15 seconds to complete a survey, and they give you like $1 per survey. It's not as much money as Respondent or User Testing, but it goes by a lot faster, and you don't need to have a mic or face cam. Either way, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe and go check out some of my other videos. I think you'll enjoy them. See you guys next one. Peace.